Behold the majesty of our universe, a spiral galaxy, its glowing core radiating light across the cosmic void. Scientists have discovered that the early universe's vibrations resembled a long, drawn-out tone, poetically compared to the sacred Om of Hinduism. In the silence of contemplation, we wonder, can something truly emerge from nothing? Is this the story of creation itself? We inhabit a world of dimensions beyond the physical. Time, temperature, and unseen forces shape our reality in profound ways.